Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a handy technique for transposing data in Excel using paste special and the formula. Transposing data can be really useful when you need to recognize your information and switch rows into column or columns into rows. So let's start learning it. I will guide you how you can transpose your data using Excel in a step-by-step method. So do not skip this video and watch it till end.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
This is an exemplary data that I will use to teach you transposing the data. For this purpose, first I have to select the data, then copy it with the command Ctrl C, then go to the place where you want to paste it, right click and go to the paste special, select the paste special, and here while pasting it check the transpose and then press OK. So now you can see that our rows are changed into columns and columns are changed into rows. But there is a one deficiency, that if I change data in the original table, the changes are not saved to the next table. So how we can do it, I am going to teach it in the second method. When we want to transpose the data using the formula, the first thing is to select the area, and while selecting the area we have to consider the total number of rows and columns in the original and the new table. That should be reversibly equal to each other. So if I have 6 columns, now I have to select the 6 rows. If I have 5 rows, now I have to select 5 columns. And then I have to type the formula is equal transpose, double click it. Now select the table array, close the bracket and press shift ctrl and enter. And now you can see that your data has been transposed, and if you make any change in the original data, the changes are saved in the next table automatically. Now we will do a little bit formatting. Now your data is set to be shown in your projects. Transposing data can be a powerful technique when you need to reorganize your information. If you want to choose a paste special or the formula, it all depends on your specific need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.